just won 500,000! Alright, so, this will probably be the hardest question anybody will ever answer in your whole lifetime. So think very, very wisely. You're on your own. Absolutely no lifelines left. Should you get the final question right, you'll have the strength to pry this check up in my cold, dead hands. Should you get it wrong, though, you'll screw up 495,000.
Now, we're going to continue with the rest of the game, and I hope your theory is correct. Good luck.
I'll say B, Sonic. Final answer.
Sudden! So you're leaving with $5,000. Game's the plan. The final horn for this episode. Don't worry, the rest of you contestants. You're going to return in the next episode. We're going to go and get a chocolate mountain. See you later, guys!